Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Sherbet Incredibox Sprunki OC. So first, we're going to get started with the lemon on the top, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Now from here in the middle, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come up on both sides, drawing those at the same size. And then as we come down, leaving a gap, we're going to replicate that on the bottom. We're going to move across on the sides now, replicating that from corner to corner, drawing in two more straight lines that come over on both sides. Now from each of the outside lines from the corner, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes up, leaving a gap again. We'll do the same as we move all the way around our circle. And now to close off each area, we're just going to draw in a curved line as we come all the way down and around our circle. Let's move down now and draw in our eyes. So leaving a small gap on the left-hand side, let's draw in a circle for our left eye. And then leaving a small gap in the middle, moving over on the right, let's draw in another circle for our right eye. On the top of both eyes now, we're going to curve this line across on the side. And then coming underneath for the pupil, we're just going to draw in a half circle, closing that off. And then now for the eyelash, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line on both sides. And then for the eyebrows, we're just going to draw in a curved line above both of our eyes. Let's move down for the mouth now. We're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up, and then closing that off with an arch line on the bottom, arching that back across. Let's close off the bottom of the face now. So leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. On the top, we're going to curve this line over and then down. And then we're going to, on the left, curve this line down, ending that so it's at roughly the same height. Let's draw on the straw that comes out here. So we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes up. We'll move up on a diagonal, replicating that. We're going to close this off on the bottom with another diagonal line. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw in three curved lines as we come over on the right. And then on the bottom, we're just going to draw in one small curved line. On the top, let's bring this line out towards the side, and then we'll do the same on the bottom. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off with a straight line. On the left-hand side now, we're going to bring this line out and then in for the hair. And then we're going to bring this diagonal line up towards our chin. For the body, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come down on both sides, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with another straight line. Now as we come over on the left, we're going to curve this line up and out. Let's arch this line back in. Again, we're going to curve this line across. One more time. And then again, one more time, arching that over. Now as we come across on the right, we're going to curve this line down and then up. And then we're going to leave a gap coming in on a diagonal, curving this line around and then in. Now let's close this off from the corner, drawing in two curved lines as we come across on the side. And then now from here, we're going to draw in two more curved lines as we come over towards the center. On the top now, we're going to draw in a wavy line as we come over on the right. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line down and then up. Let's draw on some ice here. So we're going to draw on a square on the right. And then we'll move across on the left, replicating that, drawing that on another diagonal. And that is it. That's how you draw Sherbet Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.